10 seconds. Hey, folks, come over to the third house back.
I'm behind you.
Yep. We can move up still.
Oh, that's loud.
What we got here?
There's two in the left on that side. I don't see any. There's one in the house, the second house.
I'm gonna push up second wire wheel, yeah?
Go.
You cover left side.
Yep.
Ready?
Go.
Look at that spot. What's up, dude?
Not much. Oh.
You get hit?
No, it bounced.
Oh.
I just got splattered up the wazoo though. Don't like that window.
Where are they at? Left side?
Yeah, they're in the two houses on the left side. Ouch!
You got it?
I'm out. Please don't hit me. That hurt. I don't think it broke, but it hit right here. And it hurts like no, but it hurts like shit right now. Can I actually... No, but my back shoulder now hurts. I have no padding there.
Getting shot in the back sucks.
Huh?
Getting shot in the back sucks. Ah! I need to go back and figure out where my phone is.
What?
I need to go back down there and figure out where my phone is.
What? What? You left your phone down there?
Is that okay to go from like in that one area? It's not that.
You just can't go on tree lines pretty much.
You can go up, yeah.
Well, like this one is like
You can go up there, yeah.
okay.
Dropped your pod. Who's hitting me? Ah! Behind the car. Hey, over in those trees back there, where the car is. Oh. I'm out. Ouch. I only had a hopper paint.
We stay here?
Do you have paint still?
Stay here?
Do you have paint?
Yeah.
Respawn.
Oh, keep going?
Yeah, I'm out of paint. Respawn.
Deciding what I want to do.